Do you really need a 200 megapixel camera on your next smartphone? We'll uncover why these high specs are often a marketing myth and discuss the true impact on your daily user experience. This video is a smartphone buyer's guide, focusing on the technical specifications versus the daily display comfort, especially on devices like the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's explore the megapixel myth. Higher resolution does not always result in superior or clearer images for the average everyday user. The physics of 200 megapixels involves 16:1 binning, resulting in a lower 12.5 megapixels resolution for bright shots. Full resolution files create a storage trap of around 80 megabytes per photo, causing lag. Ultimately, a bigger 1-inch sensor size is optically superior to 200 megapixels. Real photo quality is largely driven by image processing and AI, which has a 90% impact, and physical sensor size with an 80% impact. Megapixel count only has a 30% impact, confirming that software tuning and sensor size are far more critical. Now, let's look at screen comfort and pulse width modulation, or PWM. Display wellness is emerging as the true hardware battleground for modern flagship phones. The source of screen fatigue is often related to the screen flicker. The S26 Ultra manages low brightness via PWM, flickering at a low 480 Hz. This subconscious flicker can cause eye strain, headaches, and physical nausea for sensitive users during long, low-light sessions. There are double eye strain factors at play. The low PWM frequency causes eye muscles to repeatedly constrict. Additionally, the Flex Magic Pixel privacy hardware causes a privacy shimmer at low brightness, which the brain interprets as persistent glare. The first step to fixing the Flex Magic Pixel issue is to turn off the privacy mode. Deactivating the built-in privacy display feature removes the micro shimmer artifact. Go to Settings, Display Privacy Display to turn it off completely. Other essential screen comfort fixes include dropping the refresh rate to 60 Hz, turning on the Eye Comfort Shield, enabling extra dim mode to bypass low PWM thresholds, and installing the April firmware update to retune display pixel rendering. Comparing the S26 Ultra to competitors shows a difference in PWM flicker rate. The S26 Ultra has a low rate of 480 Hz, while competitors offer higher, more comfortable rates and often include automatic DC dimming for eye care. The true flagship benchmark is not just camera specs. As a professional tech consultant states, a phone is only as premium as your eyes feel while using it every single day. If you have questions about custom display configurations or trade-in promotions, please ask our in-store expert helper to configure your screen settings for premium eye wellness today.